This is the first 4 eggs that we have on the Skidmore family farm. We are making some fried eggs with fried ham left over from Christmas. So we're going to have some ham, egg, and cheese sandwiches. Notice the difference. If you buy store-bought eggs, these eggs, the yolks are much darker, the flavors much richer. Anytime you buy farm fresh eggs, they're always have a lot better flavor, at least in my experience. So but it was just a little update that we wanted to do. We got our first eggs on Christmas Eve, and we saved them, and then we've gotten a couple each day. But the weather's been really gloomy out. From what I've researched, the weather, the sunlight plays a big part in how much how many eggs they lay, especially when they're first starting to lay. But we're happy we got these, and we're definitely going to make good use of them. Thanks for watching the Skidmore Family Farm. Have a great day.